So Adobe Photoshop has introduced a new tool in the beta version of the Photoshop, as if we did not have enough tool already. I mean, like 25% of the tool I am yet to discover, and I need to find out how it works. Here is a new tool. I quite like this one. It is available in beta version. If you do not have a beta version, you can download it from here. This is the Creative Cloud app, or this is the home page. You can go to app, and here you can go to beta. There you can download the Photoshop beta version. This new tool's name is adjustment brush tool. So it is available in the brush category. If you go right down here and right click on it, see there is new tool, adjustment brush tool. Okay, it gives you some certain adjustments, exposure, brightness, contrast, vibrance, hue, saturation, and everything. What it does is actually when you select something and you paint something on your canvas, immediately the exposure adjustment layer is created because I have selected exposure here. So let's get back once again. So here is a composite that I did. It looks all perfect and okay, but the car does not look real because it does not have any shadows. I'm going to draw the shadow using this exposure brush tool. So I've selected the exposure, and I'm going to select this overlay button. So overlay, what it does is that wherever you paint, it will show you the real-time effect in color. So let's check it out. So I paint here, the exposure adjustment layer is created here, and this is the overlay color. So we can paint wherever we want. So I'm creating these shadows. I'm just doing it roughly. As usual, all the brush work. If I press the X button, the color changes to white to black. Then I can delete whatever I painted. Then again, I can click white and fine tune the painting. So I'm just roughly doing it. I'm just showing it for you. Now, so we want the background to be dark in order to create a shadow-like effect. So we are going to reduce the exposure. There you go. I'm going to deselect this overlay. I created the exposure layer above the car image that should be below the car. I'm moving it right now below. Okay, there it goes. The shadows are created. This is one of the purpose of the new adjustment brush tool. For me, it is a really useful tool in compositing works. See, if I did not have the tool, let's say that I have an ordinary brush. If I need to create a shadow, I need to go into here, click exposure adjustment layer, and I need to decrease the exposure. Then I need to click here and invert the mask, then take the brush and select foreground as white color. Then I need to paint on it. So there's a lot of steps involved here. I think it's pretty useful in compositing works. Let me show you another example. We have this image. All the traffic signals are here is red. So I need to change this to green. So let's go into adjustment brush layer and select hue saturation. So select overlay, just paint on it. Okay, that's it. We painted. Now, if you just move, there we go. We got the green. Oh, sorry. Oh, I need to turn on the overlay. Sorry. Yeah. So there we go. It's green immediately. If I had to do it in a traditional method, I'll have to use the hue saturation layer and select the red color and fine tune the adjustments like this. So now all the reds will go green. Then we need to invert the mask. Then we need to take a brush and paint on that white. It is doable, but I think it's easier using adjustment brush tool. Then let me show you another example. Here we have the image of two kittens sleeping. The kittens are almost monochrome, black and white. So I want to change the basket color into monochrome so that it matches with the kittens. The kitten has some colored cheeks, brown colored cheeks. I don't want that to go away. So I just want that basket to be black and white. So I'll just select the black and white and just paint on it. Yeah, that's it. Black and white. I think the new adjustment brush tool is very useful. I think especially in compositing, I will definitely use this tool. I think it's effective. So that's all for now. I'm gonna leave. Thank you.